while exploring a fascinating and futuristic country, the United Arab Emirates.
The seven Emirates stand united in the diversity. Let us remember that the strength grows when we respect our differences and work together.
How many Emirates do UAE has?
UAE is made up of 7 Emirates.
Like India has 28 states, the UAE has 7 Emirates. Each festival is Abu Dhabi Film Festival. The second Emirate is Dubai. Dubai, the city of dreams, home to the Burj Khalifa.
The third Emirate is Sharjah. Sharjah, the cultural capital with its museums, art galleries and libraries.
The smallest emirate, but rich in traditions like fishing and pearl diving.
Quiet and peaceful, known for its historical sites and dreamland aqua park, favorite among children.
Emirate is Ras Al Khaimah. This emirate is for nature lover and adventure.
The only emirate on the Gulf of Oman, it is famous for its beautiful